Welcome to Event Finder, an Android application. I am C. Divya from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, pursuing my CSC final year. Me and my team, consisting of S. Ramateja, V. Anupama and R. Shweta, have developed an Android application called Event Finder. Event Finder is a website which specializes in the distribution of information and advertising of primarily targeting college students, recent graduates and young professionals. The website plans to cover local events for various communities, locations, cultures and politics. All of us know what Android is. It is a software stack from Google which acts as an operating system, middleware and an application framework for all Google phones. Let us now see how our website looks. This is the Android Event Finder website. It has various categories such as technology, education, sports, agriculture, politics, health, Bollywood, etc. We can see that there are various tabs for navigation such as the home tab, the recent events that are available. We can see Roadshow, the Anna Hazare Fast, Houseful 2 are the recent events available. Then you can also see the All Events tab which displays all the events that are there in the website. About us, like we said before, this is what Event Finder does. This is where you can contact us. Registration. A new user who wants to get updates from this website can register himself here. Let us now log in as the admin to see what all the admin can do and how it works. This is the admin home. The admin can perform various functionalities such as adding categories, adding events, adding locations, viewing the events, editing them, adding categories or viewing the categories, and uploading or updating the APK files. He can also search for various events that are available. We can see the category is chosen as technology and location Chennai, and we are performing a search. There are no events in Chennai which are under the technology category that are updated in this website. Hence, it says the event is not found. Now we will log out and operate as a normal user. Let us say this is the username and we are logging in. This is how the user's homepage looks. The user can see all the recent events. He can see all the events available. He can download the APK file of the application that works on the Android phone directly from here. He can also see what are the events are available in his calendar right now. Let us now go to recent events and add some event. When you click on more, you can see the description of the event. Now go back to the recent events and you can add this event to your calendar. Now the calendar shows 2 events for the user Anu. Let us now see how this is stored in the database. The database that we are using here is WAMP servers PHP MyAdmin. We can see here that there are 3 users, Divya, Rama and Anupam. Let us see the execution now. This is how the login page looks like. Once the user logs in, this is what is visible. Now the user can type various events here to locate if there are any events available with his search and select. Once he has chosen Anna Hazare Fast, we can see that there is a detailing of what the fast is about, the date and time and the location of the event. We can also see all events available in the website, such as the Android Workshop, Houseful 2, Music Show, etc. There are various categories even in the application such as free events, events based on location, etc. Let us see what events are available in Chennai. We see that there are no events updated for the location Chennai. Now let us go back and see what are the events for the user Anu. The user Anu has the events Anna Hazare Fast, Houseful 2 and Roadshow. This is the coding that we have done using Java, Eclipse and the Android SDK. Then we will now look at our PPT. Features of Android are security, memory management, process management, network stack, driver model, abstraction layer, portability, etc. What is the Android SDK made of? JDK, Eclipse, ADT, plugins, XML files, etc. What is the existing system of the Droid Event Finder application is that the various organizations can update events that they have in the website, but there is no website on the internet which provides this functionality on the phone of the user through an application. What we do here is we try to develop a tool for the Android platform which gets information from the website through the database and adds events to one's calendar. What does the application do? The end user enters his required information about local events in Hyderabad on his phone, and this information is stored on the phone database. User can request for the information like venue, time, registration, etc. like we have already seen. These are the various diagrams or the structural part of the project. Use case diagram, sequence diagrams, class diagram. The operating environment is Windows XP, Vista 7, Linux Ubuntu, Java 1.6 and Android SDK, Eclipse, Ganymede or Helios, Apache Tomcat Server 6.0, MySQL database tool. Hardware interfaces are given here. The various applications and functionalities of the website have been discussed in the admin modules and the user modules while seeing the website's operation here. Functionalities of Android is login, showing all events, searching and seeing your events in your calendar. The user interfaces. This application includes GUI standards or product family style guides that are to be followed, screen layout constraints, buttons and functions that will appear on every screen, error message displayed standards and so on. We have already seen the screenshots. As a conclusion, we can say that these events that are updated can be located easily and people can reduce the stress of remembering. Events found can be categorized into various places. Also, we can see that the updates that can be done to this project could be setting up a background mailing system through which the admin can send reminder mails to the user about the events scheduled in their calendar. Also, we could update it by using route maps so that the user would know how to go about in wherever he is going. Thank you. We express our sincere gratitude to our HOD, Dr. K. Anuradha, and sincerely thank Professor Y. Vijalata for supporting us throughout the project. We also thank our project guide, Ms. Aslin Deepa N., Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, Gokaraj Rangaraj Technology, for standing with us and supporting us and encouraging us and making sure we reached our potential throughout the project process. Thank you.